Hi, traders. So today we're looking at the NASDAQ 100, the CFD version. So I pointed this trade out yesterday in which we were above, or we were at the 130 retracement area. Following my strategy, this 130 retracement area is a big extension within a brand new 1,000 pip range. Now, what I said yesterday, what I wanted to see with this pair out of this was I wanted to see the market actually go a little bit higher and actually test some highs before we had this pullback. But either way it goes, we had this pullback. You can see we barely got above the 130 extension, and we proceeded to fall down the entire day today. Now, there is a point in which I am looking for the market to actually recover because we are in a bigger overall bullish trend. If I bring out the IV rank, we can see that the IV rank on this pair is below 22, which means that that's a bullish condition. Now, what I'm looking for out of this pair is pretty much what we have right here. Whereas we started to get a bounce right here at the 90% level. Now, typically, I have these based upon 1,000 pips, but I don't exactly think this is based off of 1,000 pips. It may be based off of 10,000 pips. So, at the point that we're looking at, we may be about 250 pips, 500 pips. So it's double. Okay. We have about 500 pips. I guess you can call that 50. I haven't really figured out how to do it correctly using values bigger than 1,000, but I guess it'll just be double. Either way, typically, it's around this 90% area, which I look for some type of support to come in, and indeed, that's what we did have. Now, we have the possibility of falling further in between now and the end of the week, and using my system, we should bottom out. If we do drop further, bottom out right around 80 to 75%. From that point on, we're looking to actually build a new trend. Now, we've gone straight up for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll call that 7. So we've pretty much gone up in a straight line for the past 7 days. So we definitely did need a sell off, but I was actually in some other trades in which I needed this market to go up a little bit higher. But we are pretty much from now on going to start looking at this being more constructive, despite the massive sell off that we did have today.